Okay, so we are talking about the agreement when it comes to making agreement in a relationship. After making agreement, how do you make your decision when you make the agreement with your partner? You know, some I've saw a case that was yesterday night, and I want to discuss that kind of issue with you. You know, when they are having their relationship or when they get into that relationship that they are in now, these two partners agree that we are getting to relationship all because of we want to study ourselves or know much more about each another. And you know, this is a situation whereby they have get to a place where the guy is feeling in another way. So therefore, always he used to send the lady's message by telling her, I feel like sleeping with you. I feel like sleeping with you. And what is the result of this? So this is what I want us to discuss today. And for what I will tell you here is that when you are having agreement with something or having agreement with somebody, that is why Bible says something that immediately somebody have a sin with God, God draws away from that person. What I will tell the person for what I tell the person is what I'm telling you now. So therefore, if you're in agreement with somebody, don't try or don't make anything for that agreement or that kind of covenant to break. Because agreement becomes covenant because we are having agreement, and any agreement God comes into it. You tell her that now we want to have a relationship because we want to study each another. But why now you have come back and telling her that I want to sleep with you? I feel like sleeping with you. I feel like testing the message continuously, telling her I want to sleep with you. I want to sleep with you. And this lady become angry. So therefore she give me a call. No, it's the man who give me a call. And she says, the lady want to speak with me. So the lady tell me everything. And I was very shocked about that. Why? Because continue sending her this kind of message. If it were be me, at the first time, I will even hang up with you and try to block you from all my social media handles and therefore block you from my not to call me again. Why? Because it's not that agreement that we go for. It's not what that agreement that we go for. So therefore, I have an advice with the lady, and I tell her she need to be calm and she wait for maybe it's some type of feelings that is coming upon the man. So he needs to know how she is going to control herself and know how to help the man to control or the guy to control herself. And you know one thing, the reason why I'm saying that, man, she like the guy. If not, the lady says she love the guy, I will tell her to stop. Because for what is going on is something that is very serious. If you don't be careful, even you will think of maybe she has sees a different partner. That is why she always used to say this, telling me all these kind of ways that she want to sleep with me. And when we are having our agreement, according to Amos 33, remember I have made that video, so go and check it go and check it out. For we having that kind of agreement, or for we making our agreement for being in a relationship, we have agreement by telling each another that we want to have a kind of relationship that is not that we will not accept sex in that kind of relationship, because you know these both relationship partners, they are in school and they are all a student, they are not working. Why do you need to tell your partner this? And you know how it gets you. So actually what I will tell the partner, the both partners, what I tell them is that they need to calm down, they talk to themselves. We jump into agreement. So therefore let him end this here. The next part is that we jump into agreement and we make quick answer. For any agreement that we will go through, we make quick response. Why? Because you see the man with the muscles, we see the man with a different thing. That is why you make some quick answer. If after making this kind of quick answer, the end you would think of, I've made a mistake. so I need to put it in the right path. Then you need to stop that relationship. But actually, you have made your quick answer, so you need to quick it down, or cut it down and go for the right thing. So the next part of this video, or our next part, will be like talking about marriage, about accepting a proposal, the wisdom about accepting a proposal. What do you need to think about somebody before accepting the person's proposal? What do you need to see about somebody before accepting the person's proposal? That video will jump in very soon, so just wait for it, and very soon it's going to help you, it's going to bless you. Be with me and forever. My name is Success Emotional Channel. It's our channel. We are experts in life,